Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new ToVi Dante Analog Encoder module. This product makes it really easy for you to add all of your older analog audio gear to your Dante network by instantly converting that left and right analog signal into a Dante signal that you can share with your entire network. The product fully supports both the Dante and the AES67 standard, which means it's plug and play compatible with all of your existing Dante equipment. The product also provides 24-bit high-definition audio and has a 3-position gain setting so you can adjust it to perfectly match your equipment. It also utilizes the very latest in Power over Ethernet technology, which means a single connection to a PoE switch is all the power you'll need to operate the module, and you can eliminate an external power supply, which greatly simplifies your wiring. And finally, it provides both a balanced and an unbalanced input to make connecting to your audio gear incredibly easy. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the module, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other Dante products you may be considering. So let's get started with that unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the module. You'll find two sets of Phoenix connectors. One is a 2-port, and that's for power. And then there's a 6-port that's used for audio input. Finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the module, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. The ToVi Dante Analog Encoder module has a full metal enclosure which makes it incredibly durable and a great choice for both residential or commercial installations. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find these ventilation slots that are designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape to keep the electronics inside at a comfortable temperature. On the one end of the module, you'll find a series of Phoenix ports. The two on the left are for external power. You can connect that to an external 12-volt power supply if needed. And the 6 on the right are audio inputs, and you can connect those to a cable and plug it into your audio device. On the other end of the module is a LAN port. Now you can connect this to a switch with a standard LAN cable, Cat 6 or Cat 7, and if you plug it into a PoE switch, the power required for the module is sent over that LAN connection, which eliminates the need for a power supply at the other end. And then finally, on the side of the module, you'll find a 3-position gain switch that you can adjust for whatever media equipment you're using. And you have 3 choices, plus 18 dBu, 0 dBu, and minus 10 dBV. And again, you can adjust that to perfectly match your audio equipment. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the ToVi Dante Analog Encoder module with other Dante products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with compliance. This product is fully Dante and AES67 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with all of your existing Dante equipment. It also provides 24-bit high-definition audio, as well as a balanced and unbalanced input, which makes connecting to your equipment incredibly easy. It also provides 24-bit high-definition audio, so you'll have crystal clear reproduction of the audio from that device across your network. And finally, it utilizes the latest in Power over Ethernet technology, which greatly simplifies your wiring because the power required for the module is sent over that single LAN connection as long as you plug it into a PoE compliant switch. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks for watching and stay nerdy.